All right, Hive1. I did do a treatment on this one. I did the 10th. So it's one treatment less than the other hive. And I'm trying to remember, was that 2 days ago? It had to have been. I don't think I checked the hives yesterday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that looks like a 13 underneath that little slit right there. 14, 15, 16, this one. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Good God. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, kind of busy right here. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Look at that. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. I don't know if I got that one on the line there. 49, 50. Is that one on the black mark? Yep, 51. 52, 53, 54. When will it end? 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. So 82. I think it's been 2 days. And obviously we still got brood at hatching. The evidence on the board, the forensic evidence, which is awesome. I think this is better than mite washes. You don't have to kill bees either. If I were to do that, I'd probably want to knock them out rather than kill them. CO2 or what's the other way they do it? They do it with not soapy water, but they drown in liquid. So I think CO2 is the way to do it. There was another way, I think. The only thing about CO2 is how would you get the mites off their backs? God, there's another way. I can't remember what it is right now. Anyway, I'm so tired of YouTube and I don't know why they push vertical so much. It's so annoying to watch. Why do we dumb down and restrict the camera? You'd think, they went to all these giant TVs, and then they went to these little tiny portable screens that you put in your pocket, and you're watching these tiny, tiny little screens. I don't know. And this is still dry. I'm gonna leave this to you. Ooh, I got a bug. What are you doing? Get out of here. Skedaddle. That DE will dry them out pretty quick too. If they dance around in there too long, it'll be a dead bug. But this stuff's still good. Let me put this back in because right now the hive is getting cold. So 80 in the other hive, which I guess is on day 3 now, because I did the 11th treatment on it a day before I did the 10th treatment on this one. And it's like really low 60s right now, if that. The other hive had it. I didn't put a little outside thermometer on this one yet. A couple of them coming and going. I got this thing on like a little bit telephotoed. Let me go back to 1. God, why is this phone? This thing took an update. Now it's all weird. And then you got TikTok, YouTube. Hey, you got this oriented wrong. You got to flip it the other way. You got to flip it the other way. You got to have them boobies jiggling. Camera facing your face. Jiggle those boobies, and then everything in focus is backwards. I don't know. Is it just me? Probably. This hive is actually staying warmer than the other one just because it's a single. Or actually, it's probably because of where I have the sensor. I have the sensor on the very bottom of about, I think, number 3 or 4 on the very, very bottom. So it's pulling, you know, the temperature just inside the box. And then the other one is up in the dry feeder of the apimaye. I keep those shut. And I got the double animal style. I keep saying I'm going to put the take this stuff off and do the double bubble wrap. We'll see if I can get the energy to do that. My fingers don't freeze. Look at that. 7.5 minutes and everybody's gone. Everybody wanted that booby jiggling in vertical mode, so they, after 15 seconds, they all up and left. So it's just say archive for myself and my mother and my sister. Hey, almost, there's a spider. Or is that? No, it's a dead bee. A couple dead bees. That's your walk the plank. Walk the plank. See, that one's gonna walk the plank. All right, goodbye. Hi, goodbye. Hi, goodbye. I wish I had a good enough camera to look to see if there was like a mite on their back. Hi, goodbye.